to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and today I'm just going to do some burgers on the little tailgater, and you're not going to believe it because we hardly ever, very rarely buy frozen burgers. Anyway, it's late. This should be quick and easy. We were at Sam's Club. You know, hey, you show up there if you're hungry, you see something, you're going to buy it. So we got these Angus beef patties, hatch green chilies, and Cotija cheese inside the patty. You can see that because when you take it out of the pack, they look like this, all kind of gray, right? So we've had these before. They are actually pretty good. I did them actually on the Blackstone and they came out great. I got some bourbon barbecue pellets in my tailgater that I'm going to use. I've already got it up to 350 degrees. So let's get these in here. 8 or 9 minutes. We're going to be done. 6 to 9 minutes on one side, sorry. Flip them, 5 to 7 on the next. It's probably going to be what, 7 on each side? Anyway, let's get them in. This is how tough doing frozen burgers on a pit boss is. You can see the Cotija cheese in there though. You can see some green for the green chili. Anyway, yeah, let's throw it on there. We'll be back in about 6 or 7 minutes. Okay. We are 8 minutes. Oh, look at those. Let's give them a flip. Seem like they just are getting thawed. This will, we'll be back in about 7 minutes, I guess. In 8 minutes, we're gonna check these out. And the box says internal temp to 160, so we will check the temp. I'm not sure. I'm thinking these will take a little longer, but we'll see. Yeah, they actually look a little pretty good, actually. That's really soft. $140, $139. Okay. Since we got a little longer to go, let's flip them one more time. And since we don't have any Cotija cheese, I'm going to add some Swiss cheese because I love Swiss cheese on burgers. It melts so nice, so we're going to let this go. The cheese will probably be really ooey gooey, but we're going to let it go probably another 5 minutes. How about that? Let's see. Right, I actually went another 8 minutes, so we got 8, 24 minutes. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna go fix these up and we'll come out and do a taste test. Okay, we've got the Angus beef with hatch green chilies and Cotija cheese, and I topped it with some Swiss. Look at that. I just have no tomato, onion, mayonnaise, mustard. You put whatever you want on them, right? Okay. See how this does. Cheers. Well, I don't know if you can see any green chili in there. Probably not. There is some green chili in there, you can see it. It is actually pretty good for a frozen burger. We had these before, like I said. We made them on the Blackstone. I thought them out before I put them on the Blackstone, though. I didn't do them from frozen. The instruction said oven 350 degrees, 6 to 9, 5 to 7. I did 8, 8, and 8. After 16 minutes, the internal temp was 140. After the last 8 minutes, it did get up to it was 158, 159, so 160. So there you go. They're done. They look a lot better now that they're cooked. They got that red smoky tint to them. And they're actually, these for a frozen burger, these are good, but I still like making my own. I mean, there's nothing like making your own. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you have frozen burgers, throw them on your smoker. Put some smoke flavor on them. So good. You can taste that hatch chili. Anyway, hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment. We'll see you on the next video.